The simplest way to make money with Chat GPT. Welcome to today's exciting video, where we'll unveil simplest ways to make money with Chat GPT. Are you ready to earn over £500 per month? Stick around until the end, because I have a special bonus tip that will massively increase your chances of success. Let's dive right in. Selling your services on Fiverr.com. Whether it's writing ebooks, blogs, or social media posts, ChatGPT can help you generate additional cash flow. Other freelancers are already charging top dollar for similar services. Just take a look at these examples. Impressive, isn't it? Now, let me guide you step by step on how to leverage ChatGPT to create an entire ebook from scratch. Step 1. Crafting an attention-grabbing title. Use ChatGPT to generate captivating options. Remember, the title is the gateway to success. Step 2. Developing the content. Utilize ChatGPT's immense power to create an outline structure for your ebook, piece by piece, section by section. Watch your content come alive. Step 3. Writing each chapter. Dive into the specifics by feeding ChatGPT prompts for each chapter. Watch as it generates the text, bringing your ebook to completion. Fantastic work! You've just created a comprehensive ebook, ready to be shared with the world. But here's the secret bonus tip I promised you. To maximize the impact of your services on Fiverr, ask ChatGPT to act like an expert copywriter and write a highly optimized description, along with a catchy title, to maximize sales online. This magic prompt will generate compelling, SEO-optimized sales copy for attracting more clients. And there you have it, your secret weapon for success. But wait, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below, subscribe to our channel, and hit that like button. Your feedback will help us create even better content for you. That wraps up today's video on the simplest way to make money with ChatGPT. Remember, by leveraging ChatGPT's power, selling your services on Fiverr can become a lucrative venture. So go out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.